422 Rosina Vista. Right now, the listing agent is taking you two on a tour. So I'm going to get a video of the downstairs and catch up with you at the upstairs. He mentioned the epoxy flooring, baseboards, various racks.
Notice they have cans up here. A lot of times you go to places like they put these things everywhere, so you're not lacking in light. You're not, you don't have room, you don't have
Wash basin.
So when you're sitting over there, you don't feel like this is outside. This is all part of the
This is the master, which of course is downstairs. Undermount sinks. This heater he described as being built into the electrical during the building of the actual home. We're on a green belt here, about 10 to 12 feet higher than the people behind us, and we have quite a bit of space on this belt.
About 4 doors back with the gate. Yep. And then these homes are about 12 feet lower than us, so you can't really tell. But if you were to walk over there where that car is, kind of look up here,
Undermount farm sink, Sub-Zero Pro, I believe he called it. Very expensive fridge. Washer, dryer, fridge is staying. Wainscoting was added after market. And this is, of course, another bedroom downstairs featuring the plantation shutters, custom closet. Three-quarter bath, undermount sink, upgraded fixtures throughout the property. And now we will catch up with the tour. 15-foot sliders, 9-foot sliders.
A very nice gate that I have a photo of, but they have it and it's included. Oh, good. It's all. It's like that goes through.
Is that a creek? It's just covered, no creek,
So the AC and the pool equipment is over there. Notice a couple of cameras. Ooh.
Yeah, but that's the walkway.
I never match.
I should have put hooked on.
Oh yeah, it is. You're right. You're right.
So here's the gate. This is the gate that I was referring to. So they have it.
Is it like a mesh?
I don't know, but it fits here. And
You can take it out.
yeah. And like it's in the garage, and then the gate part I think is in that shed.
Okay.
So, but that is included in the so you can have like so this is pre-fencing. Yeah, this is, you'll see everything's clean here. All of the windows are tinted. All of the windows are tinted. So it adds. The highest electric bill here was $208 last July. I put on the.
And that's funny with the air conditioning and everything. Huh?
I put a picture
Amazing.
on the list that has all of, right, those are all the bills from January of 2017 on. So it has every month's bill, electric.
That'll save you a lot of money, huh? On the
Absolutely.
site, the houses, so. Look at that notary. Is it a thing?
There's two. They stay, yeah. Also, the stainless steel, stairwell is a $10,000 upgrade, and the carpeting is also upgraded. So we have 3 bedrooms up here. Let's start over here so you can see. This is the den, actually. It's a large den. Could be the movie room.
That's what I want to have a movie or a
There you go.
big movie. This would be alright.
It's pretty big.
Yeah.
It's a big room.
No bathroom.
No what? No what?
Bath.
Oh. There you go. You know, so here, this is basically the 4th or 5th bedroom. So as I was saying, it's not small. You're not going into a room going, well, this is really small. What are we going to do with it?
That's the big size.
It's a big room
It
for.
must be a bathroom.
You know what?
So there's a bathroom per bedroom? How many bathrooms?
There's 4 bedrooms. So the other 2 bedrooms over there kind of share a bathroom. Yeah, they share. But this one has its own. Like I said, built-in closets. This will be in every bedroom that you, except for the master.
Type the address to me.
This one?
No,
No.
my daughter.
Oh. That's all right. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Doesn't want to come.
Oh.
5175. So is it 2 zone air conditioning? Like downstairs, upstairs?
I mean, most houses are. But this one.
Yeah. Actually, that's quite nice.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, we like this kind of finish rather than the wooden ones.
Looks much more modern.
Look at that family.
Is that big enough? Is it? Like, is that small? Just leave that, right?
Yes, and then
We've had awful trouble with them getting the clickers to work for the gate.
Oh.
And then the mailbox, we're in 105, so you would think, 105, you would think, oh, 105 is my mailbox. No, 104 is my mailbox.
Really? Also interesting that you didn't mention that. Yes.
Oh, he goes, oh, no, you've been assigned 104. Oh, that's why the key doesn't work.
Okay. You would think they would mention that when you move in.
Alright.
There's the 4th bedroom, and this is the 5th bedroom. So there's 3 bedrooms up here. And again, they're good size, built-out closet. And you know what, please, just realize 4 cans, because that's where people try to save money, right? It's like, God, we're at the 4th bedroom now. Do I have to put cans into that one too?
Yeah.
And shutters and tinted windows and the whole TV mount, you know, and a built-out closet. So this bathroom and these 2 bedrooms share this bathroom. It's a full bath. So the bathtub is to the left.
You know, I didn't notice they put blackout curtains on all of them or just some of them?
All of them.
Oh, they did.
When you say blackout curtains,
So in front of the shutters?
oh yeah, I don't know.
Because some, they don't black out the light entirely.
Right, true. No, they didn't do it on all of them, but I think that's a western, so that's the western side.
Yeah, probably.
This is a yeah, gym, but it's a bedroom. It has a closet.
Oh, I'm sorry. Lots
We have
of
a nice view
shelves.
from this room, so that view will never go away. Because there's not going to be homes built to block it.
Right.
And then we come in through here.
Oh,
Yeah. So this also, we have a view. And again, can lighting, 2 fans. You should come here at night and look at it again. It's spectacular. Yes, it's very nice. They chose this lot for a reason.